just reflecting on that 3,000, by the way, the place times were spectacular. More of that shortly.
Well, athletes out on the track for the women's 100 metres, and is there a more exciting event in track and field right now? Elaine Thompson-Herah and Sherica Fraser-Pryce, the Jamaicans, both having the best season of their life, have still a world-class field here in the women's 100 metres. It's been quite intoxicating in the last few weeks. So the she set earlier this year. Late replacement for Sherica Fraser-Pryce, who only announced that she wasn't travelling yesterday. So Burkhardt goes in lane 1. Thompson-Herah, I can tell you, is in lane 5, as you can see. They're still very, very strong, the Jamaicans here in Paris this weekend. Now then, Daryl Nita, what a season she's having. Quite brilliant. Made the Olympic final. Set a personal best of 10.96, which she then equalled in Lausanne on Thursday evening. She goes in lane 2 for Great Britain. Alain Del Ponte, the new Swiss record holder, who 3 personal bests this season, made the Olympic final, part of that brilliant group by Lauren Mervley in the Netherlands. Shericka Jackson, Olympic bronze medalist, 3rd in her last 3 races, behind Thompson-Herah and Sherica Fraser-Pryce. She goes in lane 4. So there is the double Olympic champion. That's scarcely believable. 10.54 in Eugene last weekend, the 2nd fastest of all time, but then only 2nd in Lausanne on Thursday. A bit of a reality check for her. But in 10.64, the fastest non-winning time in history. Dina Asher-Smith, the British #1, the world champion over 200 metres, goes in lane 6, still nursing that hamstring tear that kept her out of the 200 metres final. Majinga Kambundji having quite the season, isn't she, the Swiss #1, reached both sprint finals in Tokyo, had a great win in Eugene over 200 metres last weekend. And completing the lineup for Jamaica, Natasha Morrison, who set personal bests at 1 and 200 metres this season. But Thompson-Herah, for many people, that 10.54 in Eugene last weekend, many people saying that actually is, in all but stats, the best run we've ever seen in the history of this event, because of the almost definite wind-assisted 10.49 by Flojo all those years ago. 1988, that world record has stood since Indianapolis, the US trials. What can Thompson-Herah do here? Her last 3 races, 10.61, 10.54, 10.64, astonishing times. So Burkhardt, Nita, Del Ponte, Jackson, Thompson-Herah, Asher-Smith, Kambundji and Morrison. Away first time, the headband of Thompson-Herah going well, pushing her well is Dina Asher-Smith. Thompson-Herah though now through the transition phase, into her running. Let's keep an eye on the clock. She's streaking away, 7.72. It's a meeting record that has stood since 2015. 1.3 metres per second, a slight tailwind propelling her forward, but, well, she returns to winning ways. Would she have been pushed harder perhaps by Sherica Fraser-Pryce were she here in Paris this weekend? Thompson-Herah though, what a sequence, and she's now running in and around 10.70 for fun. Jackson this time upgrading from 3rd to 2nd, and Asher-Smith coming in just behind her in 11.06. But Tim, the Thompson-Herah juggernaut just goes on and on.
Well, what can you do against an athlete with a top speed like this? Her second half is astonishing. I mean, she's tearing away from them through the last 40 metres. They can simply watch and admire that running from Thompson-Herah, because a meeting record, 10.72, one that was, ironically, as you said, Chris, owned by Sherica Fraser-Pryce. And in her absence, she's unable to defend it. I saw the email, actually, of the agent that to the meeting director, pulling her out of the meeting. Fraser-Pryce, she had tight hamstrings after Lausanne, and at the age of 34, I think was perfectly entitled to play things very cautiously. Look at that though, Chris, 10.97 for Jackson, and good to see Dina Asher-Smith gradually clawing her way back for that 3rd place.
Yeah, good to see Asher-Smith back. Daryl Nita down in 6th place. But Thompson-Herah continues her excellent form. Has already qualified for the finals in Zurich. And
what's up, viewers? This is unforgettable track and field event, women's 100 meter at Paris Diamond League. I gonna tell you, guys. Under the lights of the Diamond League, the fastest woman on the planet stepped onto the track, and the Jamaica happened. 8-out giant in sprinting. Rain by rain, the tension builds. Dina Asher-Smith, European champion. Mujinga Kabuji, explosive starter. Dana Knight, dangerous in the dry phase, but all eyes on the one and the only, the Olympic gold medalist, Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herah. Very calm, focused, and unbothered. Shericka Jackson, another great and brilliant sprinter from Jamaica, ready to strike. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please like the video. Kindly guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah man, right here we are having one of the greatest and unforgettable track and field event, women's 100 meter at Paris Water Diamond League back in the year 2021. And guys, believe me, Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herah exploded out of the blocks, smooth, controlled, and effortless. By that meters, she is already separating. By 60 meter, it's over. She is floating. Shericka Jackson surged lead, securing second position in time of 10.97 seconds. Behind them, Dina Asher-Smith fights hand for that position in time of 11.06 seconds, but the night belonged to one woman, Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herah, breaking the meet record in time of 10.72 seconds. A Jamaican 1, 2, and 4 finish. Power, precision, and dominance. This wasn't just a race, this was a statement. Where Elaine Thompson-Herah hits top speed, the world can only watch. And guys, I gonna no lie, I can't wait to see how things gonna unfold in this year 2026 season, because this brilliant and smart sprinter from Jamaica, Elaine Thompson-Herah, is back on the track. From 2024, when she sustained injuries, she is now back like never before, and she had promised Jamaican and her fans that this is her year. She gonna deliver. And guys, I can't wait to see, because I'm a great supporter of this brilliant sprinter from Jamaica. And guys, keep tuned here, keep it locked there, because definitely I gonna bring to you all those events as they happen. Remember, she gonna compete in the World Athletic Championships. We have the Olympic, we have the Commonwealth Games, and this brilliant sprinter from Jamaica is well prepared for those competitions. And guys, I can't wait to see. So keep it here, keep it locked here, and I will, and I promise you to bring those events as they happen. And in the comment section down below here, let me know your thoughts. What are your expectations from this Jamaican brilliant sprinter? Let me know your thoughts at the comment section down below here. And guys, to all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you a million times for always coming back to watch my videos. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Andy K, going by the name Andy K News in this YouTube platform. Kindly like the video, comment, tell me where you are watching from, and don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Smash that notification bell at the subscription so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. Bye bye for now. Blessings.